to fix Gmail. Something went wrong on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Gmail. Something went wrong on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, and here just type Gmail and click on it, and here we'll find force stop, and then click storage and click clear cache. And now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, come back here and click permissions and allow all of those permissions here, and then go to storage and click clear data. After that you will need to log in again, but that will fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Now just restart your phone and try again, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.